previous lecture we have learned about how to find total amount. Now we will learn how to add two amounts. For that, we have to first write paisas separately and taka separately. Here our question is 175 taka and 75 paisa plus 25 taka and 5 paisa. For adding this, I will write separately paisa and taka. First 75 paisa and 175 taka. Second part 25 taka and 5 paisa. First, we will add paisa. Normal addition 75 plus 5 is equal 80. So, if we add normally 75 and 5, we will get 80. So, I will write 80 here. Then I will add taka. 175 plus 25, 200. So I will write here 200. Answer is 80 paisa. 200 taka and 80 paisa. Let's see again. First, I have separated paisa, 75 paisa and 5 paisa, and I have add 75 paisa and 5 paisa. As usual, we get 80, means 80 paisa, and taka 200 taka. Answer is 200 taka and 80 paisa.